give you guys a shot of what the chairs look like before we spray them, but it is so hot out here today. It's 110. It is hard to even get a good shot so you guys can see, but that's what they're looking like. So we're gonna give this baby a makeover. Okay, that's one piece. Well, no, let's put it around the edge first. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. We're just gonna put it as much down there as possible. Okay, it should be okay like that. What you're saying? Yeah, I think we should, because I don't want any spray to get all over. What we loved about this paint is that there was not a whole lot of sanding that we had to do before we were able to put on the first coat. And as you can see, this is how it turned out. We're now adding the second coat, and it's looking pretty good. We let the table dry overnight, and as you can see, it is all dry. So now that the table has dried and we can really see the color, we decided that we do like it a lot. And we're going to do the chairs. We decided to do the chairs the next day using spray paint, so that it is not so tedious because of the rungs in the back of the chair. Spray paint was the way to go. All right, guys, this is the end of our table painting project, and we do love it. I decided to add some cushions to the seats of the chairs just to give it an extra added look, and I think this turned out really well.